Most modern vehicles made after 2017 use R-1234YF refrigerant, and when it comes time for an AC recharge, you may be shocked by the price. That's why Johnson's has come out with a better, lower-cost replacement option with their Freeze YF. Not only does Freeze YF save you money at the counter, this direct replacement AC refrigerant outperforms standard R-1234YF, delivering colder air faster for improved cabin cooling, so you'll feel that chill quicker on hot days. Plus, it meets every current and future U.S. refrigerant regulation. It's accepted by the EPA for professional automotive use, requires no system modifications, and is compatible with all R-1234YF AC systems and lubricants. Freeze YF is available in an easy-to-handle 8-ounce can and 10-pound cylinders. So if your late model vehicle needs an AC recharge, keep it cool, compliant, and cost-effective with Johnson's Freeze YF. This tech tip is brought to you by Freeze YF, trusted by professionals.